Huawei Mobile Kenya has unveiled its latest addition to the Huawei Y series, the new Huawei Y7a. Huawei Y7a is retailing at K. 22,999 in all retail stores including Telkom Kenya outlets. The smartphone was made available for pre-order early this month, with each pre-order coming with a free Bluetooth headset worth K. 2,499 and 1 year 15 GB cloud storage. The phone runs on Android 10 plus EMUI 10.1 operating systems and comes with Huawei Mobile Services (HMS). It also comes with a 6.67-inch touchscreen, Kirin 710A, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, 48MP main camera with a quad camera setup and a 8MP selfie camera. It also has a large 5000 mAh battery. Speaking of the launch, country head Jim Zuji said, "With people using smartphones for ever-increasing creative, entertainment and social purposes, the demand for a device that caters to these needs is greater than ever. That is why Huawei Y7a features the 22.5W Huawei Supercharge that enables a quick energy regain that lets users to stay connected, productive and entertained with Huawei Y7a. With just 10 minutes of charging, it can work for an incredible 2 hours of uninterrupted video viewing. Even for those who are rushing to go out, they can simply plug in the phone for a quick recharge and get rid of low battery anxiety for the rest of the day."